What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today we are going to be installing the Ford Performance strut tower brace with the stamped steel cowl, and I got this whole thing, this whole package from Ford Performance, brand new, for $22 shipped to my door. If you're curious how I did that and how you can do this exact same thing, stay tuned and finish watching the video. I'm gonna let you guys know. Now, if you've been watching the last few videos I've made on my 2024 GT, you know that I've kind of complained about feeling the extra weight in the front compared to what I had previous to this, which was a 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. So with the V8, we got more weight up front, and so naturally, I'm gonna try to mitigate that by adding more weight. I'm gonna add the strut tower brace, see how it does, see how it increases the performance. I think really what I'm feeling is that flex in the front end. And if we can mitigate some of that flex in the front, it's gonna feel better in corners, it's gonna feel more nimble, and that's what I'm shooting for. So let's go check out the brace on the bench real quick, and then we'll get to installing it and take the car for a drive, and I'll let you know if it's worth it for you guys to pick up and how it responds. So let's go. All right, guys, we have the Ford Performance strut tower brace and this cowl bracing on the bench here. You can see this is the same Ford Performance brace as the stamped steel one that they've had out on the market for years. This is the same one from the 2015, and it fits all the way up to the 2024 Mustang GT, and I believe Mustang EcoBoost as well. But I got it straight from Ford Direct. We do have some nuts here that we're gonna use for the installation. They also give us a nice QR code for some installation instructions as well. So if my video is not enough and you guys are curious on how to install this, check out this little code here, or if you buy one, you're gonna get one in the box as well. It'll help with the install process. I wish there was more to cover about the strut tower brace and that cowl brace, but there's really not. My impressions are that it feels extremely sturdy, well built. That cowl bracing is much heavier than I thought. I guess it is just a piece of steel, so it should be pretty heavy. It is more weight going on the car, which is kind of funny because I already said it was too heavy. But anyways, let's put it on the car. Let's see how it performs, and I'll let you know how you can get it for 22 bucks. Don't drop these down your engine bay. That's not fun. Damn it. First, we're going to remove the battery cover. Then we need to remove the negative and positive battery cables to give us enough room to remove that cowl brace. Then we can start to remove the push-type fasteners that secure the trim. Once those are removed, we can then move on to the bolts under that trim that secure the cowl brace to the car. So there's two bolts underneath this cowl here that you gotta get off that are pretty tight to get to. But look at, I got this really thin 1/4 inch kind of drive here that I got for Christmas. You can flex it to whatever side you want. It's awesome. And this actually works pretty good with a 13 mil on it to get right under this cover and get right to the bolt. So pretty cool. You just gotta have the right tool for the right job. And then you can drop it in the engine bay. That'd be fun too. Look at that, it comes right off. Now you guys can see this is the old plastic one, not very supportive, but the new one, on the other hand, is pretty cool. This thing is definitely really sturdy. It's gonna tie in over here, brace that, and on the other side there. So at first I thought that brace probably wouldn't really do anything when I was looking online for a strut tower brace. However, after feeling it, how sturdy it feels, this should do something. So I'm kind of excited about that. Man, and look at that, guys. Fully installed. Ha, just kidding. I still need to bolt everything up, but you guys can see here the cowl brace. I put that in. I just gotta tighten up or torque up the bolts here, but the same hardware is used there. And then they give you 4 new nuts there, like I said before, to tighten the actual strut tower brace down. So I'm just gonna do that right now, and then I'll give you guys a quick look when we're done, and we'll go take it for a rip and see how it handles. I think it's gonna do pretty good, just judging by the way it felt. So should be pretty cool. And just like that, everything is back together here. Everything is torqued down as well. I didn't go over all the torque specs in this video, but I will link the PDF, the install PDF, in the description down below, which gives you all the torque specs there. So if you guys are looking to do the same install, head over down to the description. You'll find that PDF link, and it'll make it super easy for you. But now it's time to get into the car. We'll see how it feels, and I'll let you know how to get this thing for $22 shipped to your door from Ford Performance. Pretty cool. All right, guys, setting off in the Mustang here after installing that Ford Performance strut tower brace and that cowl brace. We're gonna see if I can tell any difference just straight away hitting some of the twistier roads that I have just kind of around the house here, so nothing too crazy. But before I do that, I do want to let you guys know how you guys can take advantage of the deal that I got, where I was able to get this for like 22 bucks shipped to my door. So how I did that was when you purchase a brand new 2024 Mustang, Ford will issue you Ford Pass rewards points. And since this is like a around a $46,000 car, I think I got 4,600 points, I believe. And that translated into taking the strut tower brace or anything on their Ford rewards program. You can buy anything you want. I just chose to buy the strut tower brace just because I saw the most value kind of with that. But it turned, it's about $250 worth. So not a whole lot, I guess, if you're comparing it to what you spend on this car here. So if you guys did purchase a vehicle brand new, I believe any Ford, you should have some Ford Pass rewards that you could spend towards parts or service, anything like that. Anyways, guys, let's hit some of these roads here. I'm coming up on a few right now, and let's see how it does. All right, let's see. Coming up to the corner. Oh yeah, actually. A little push there. Gonna catch on this guy really quick. All right, that one corner, guys, that felt pretty good. The front end does feel firmer. And it's kind of funny, like I said, it felt heavier. Let's see this one. Oh yeah. It actually does. Okay. And this is just me testing this kind of likely on some of the back roads, but man. All right. I think we're on the right track with this, guys. So even like a third gear. Let's see. Yeah. It is. It is much flatter in the front. Okay. That's pretty cool, guys. Even if you bought this, without any rewards points, I mean, this is definitely worth the 250 bucks. And that being said, the only reason I got this Ford Performance version, one, it had that cowl brace. I wanted to test that. And two, because of the rewards points. If I didn't have the rewards points, there's plenty of other manufacturers out there. Steeda, S&R, that's who I had through American Muscle. On my EcoBoost, I had that one. That one's like $100. So strut tower brace, definitely worth the money for sure. Definitely worth the money. Well, guys, with all that being said, I think this was a success, especially for 22 bucks. I'm a super happy camper right now, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on the installation or anything like that, hit me up in the comments down below. And of course, if you like the video, hit that like button for me. It helps me out an absolute ton. And if you want to see more, you want to keep coming back to the channel, hit that subscribe button with notifications on, and you will be notified the next time I upload a video. You guys have a great day, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.